Brian Bowersock, the Automan here. Today we're talking about April being National Car Care Month and the care of your vehicle. These days we're seeing a lot of vehicles that have been neglected for service or repairs that are actually needed. We've gone through a period of time where folks weren't getting vehicles in and still driving a lot. On the average, there's a ton of vehicles on the road these days that have been neglected. There's a large percentage of vehicles that are running around with dirty air filters. When you leave an air filter dirty, you get small tears in it, can damage things such as the mass airflow sensor on the vehicle and other items internally inside the engine. Vehicles that haven't had the transmission serviced in 18 to 20,000 miles that are due. The only thing you can do for your transmission to extend its life is service it properly, placing fluids and filters. Other maintenance items such as fuel filters and spark plugs that have been neglected and are way past mileage intervals and time to replace them, along with light bulbs and other items on the vehicle that are safety related. It's a great time, since April's National Car Care Month, get your vehicle in, get it inspected by a qualified facility, and get it repaired. That'll keep you on the road and have a wonderful summer. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
For the latest automotive news and helpful tips, watch for The Automan, Fridays on the CW San Diego, sponsored by the West Automotive Group.